So if you're more organized, you become more productive. And this is one of my goals is to be more organized in my life and not just with my house, but inside my thoughts. I found a tool called Cmaps and it does exactly that. It helps you connect everything you write, allowing you a more intuitive and more effective way of capturing your thought and also presenting it. And it uses instant AI map, and you could create to-do lists with it. You can create everything and just organize your idea. And it's a new way of learning. So let's get started. I'm going to show you all the templates and everything that it can do for you. So now I'm on the main page of Cmaps. As you can see, there's an example here where it shows you different countries and how it's grouped together, how there's a visual. And then once you click into the photo, you get more detail. So it's the same experience as going to a library and scanning the books and seeing what you're interested in before diving into the information. And this is what the users are intuitively experienced with. And we do that with websites too. We use a lot of H2 headers so people could scan. So this is a very nice way of presenting your information. And it also has a nice visual aspect to it too, very pleasing to the eye. It uses mind maps to transfer your notes, and it has a powerful text editor. It also has AI. And here, look at these wonderful, beautiful templates. So it's categorized by class note. If you're a student, this would be helpful. If you love to travel like I do, then you could do the traveler's note, for example, places you want to visit. And baseball, if you're a huge sport fan, this would be nice too to organize. And to-do lists, we all need a to-do list. This is something that would help you be more productive. And this would be a fun way to organize your company with a nice visual. And I love the Marvel heroes. I'm just going to click in here so you could see the read only. So you see here, there's connector lines, and you can click on X-Man and you'll be able to see the relations that you could add another link. You select here and then you could link here. And then here's the content. You could ask AI to add more. So just simply click on that. And of course, if you don't like it, you could edit anything out here. You could work right directly into the template. Click on edit. Go back here. Now I'm on the dashboard, and right here I've done a couple tests, so I could delete this since I don't need it. So it removes the map, and once you create the map, you could favorite and it will pop into here. And you could also copy it too if you want to duplicate and make a different version of it. And then you could also share. All you need is someone's email, and then you set which level you want them to have access, like as an editor or as a reader. And of course, you could set it private or public and then click save here. I'm going to delete this one too. So on top, very intuitive, very simple. You get the templates here that I showed you. And then you have share with me if someone shares. And then you have your maps that you created. So let's go into the template. I am going to choose the to-do list. So remember, if you click here, it's read only. So you want to make a copy down here. So now it's copying the map, and you have a navigation up here. You could undo, redo, and then delete the element. And then this is Canvas settings here. Pull up your hex code, and right here you could add your images, and then you could delete. So you could take a picker and you could select the colors like this and just drag it, or you could go in here and change that. That's a little too bright for my eyes. If I go back to the lighter color, and it takes over the whole canvas. Okay, and then you could delete it. So let's do a new document to get started. And then let's have the document title called Pandas. I want to organize my pandas. Wow. So I have my structure created for me, which saves me time. I'm going to change this to Delete. I'm just going to keep 3. All right. Now I'm going to stretch it over here to make it look better. Just click on it and just drag it over, and click on this, drag that over there. And I'm going to make this more balanced with the other one. Okay. So in the US, I should name this US pandas. And then I could add in a picture of Atlanta if I wanted to in here. And then I could add a picture of California, the state, just to make it more visually pleasing. So now I want to link Atlanta relations. I also want to keep the appearance different color just so we don't get it confused. Just this. Yeah. Okay. Appearance, I will select another color, and then I'll select this one, purple. Okay. I'll make this a nice color too. Orange. Okay, so now we have the different pandas are in Atlanta, and then I'm going to do the relationships too. So I am going to add a node. Meishan. So Meishan's DC Zoo mom, she's a mama panda. And then Tan Tan, DC Zoo papa. Okay. And then Zhao Kishi, he's the baby panda. DC baby panda. Right there. I want to connect the nodes. So I am going to go in here and do link to another node. So I'm going to link to Meishan DC link, and then I'm going to add another link, which is Tan Tan link. Let me see if it. Yep. So you have Meishan, which is the mom. Then you have Papa. Then you add another link in here. Would be Kiji for shortcut, his name. And then the parents, I think I'll choose red. Okay. And then content here, edit. Then I could say hours, blah, blah, blah. To be more accurate, I'm going to say DC Zoo or National Zoo. And if I need a little help, I'm going to ask AI to generate. I think that's much better than my description. This is really cool. This definitely saves me a lot of time, a lot of research, and it's pretty organized. Oh, it even tells you the red line. That's pretty cool. Then, of course, I can highlight colors. Maybe highlight the hours. Okay. So I got that one, and then let's ask the assistant. Okay. So that talks about Kiji. And then I also wanted to put it in a picture of my little miracle. So as you can see, I've already organized it, and this is a boring way. So this will be more visually pleasing, and I'm going to look to see the icons. So there's our baby panda right there. Okay, now I'm going to add the image, and I'm going to take this one, and then let me go back here. And then you see there's a little image of him. It's so cute. Aw. And then make sure the image is not a large size. There'll be an error if you upload a bigger image. So I asked AI about the mama panda. And then I could go in here. I could also insert an image for her too. Right? I could insert video as well, a table. And then I'm going to take this image of her, lovely Meishan, and I could write alt text. Okay. I could view. And then go back out and see. Click on Meishan. Appearance. And this is where I could change the appearance in the front. And she probably has to be smaller size. So I'm going to resize this. So I'm going to choose a smaller image and then it attach there. And then there you go. There's Kiji and there's Mama May, and let's attach the Papa Bear's image in here as well. So I'm going to go here, double click, and then in appearance is where you attach the image. And I'm going to crop his picture down. He's right here. I do 200 because that is a little too large for a little circle. 10. Attach, and then I take the smaller one, and then I could choose the color red, relations here, and then we're okay. And then we're going to ask the AI to write about Tan Tan Panda Bear. In here, you could add in the image, go to edit, it would be purple, hit enter, and then add in his image. Choose file. This is where you could add in the larger image of him. And then let's go back in. And here we could put a picture of National Zoo, but I don't have one handy. Edit. Let's take this out. And then I'm going to put an image for him right there. And then I could resize here. Just drag, make it smaller. There you go. Go pop out. Let's try it again. There you go. So you have baby panda in DC, and then you have mama panda, and then you have DC panda here. And then you just rearrange it like this one and add the panda. And you could see how you could build this out to something that's very visually pleasing. And it tells a story, and you could get to the detail. You can build it as much as you want. I think this is pretty cool. Then you could go into company. See there, you put the people's picture, their bio right there. Okay. Template, go into traveling. Just so you have an idea. Oh, that's so neat. Like you could put a background. That is really nice. Baseball. Oh, this is giving me a lot of ideas. So for my panda, I could actually add in like a bamboo forest. Matrix. So let's talk about prices. So currently Appsumo have a lifetime deal, and it's an incredible price of one-time purchase of $19 to create that. And it has an alternative to Evernote. And down here for that, you can get lifetime, and you could redeem your code, and then you have all the features, and you could have unlimited maps and AI assistance. I think this is incredible. So my final thoughts are, I think this will really help you organize your life in a nice visual way. And if you want to share it, you could have other people contribute to it. There's so many different projects that you could use, whether you're a young student, you could use it to take notes, whether you're just a person that works at home or, manage the household, you could organize your house, organize your vacation, or you want to just, you have a hobby like me, you have Panda, and you want to organize that and present it to your group. So I can see myself using this daily, and I can see myself using this to present. I think it's a win. Let me know if you purchase this and what you use it for. And as always, thank you so much for your support. And I hope you subscribe to help the channel grow. Have a great day.